Stay tuned and learn how to make one of these. Welcome to my workshop. Let's get crafting. Alright, so you got your glass bottle, right? You can use gravity, right? Put it in the bag, okay? You want to be safe, you don't want to hurt anybody, right? Tie the bag up, toss it all the way up into the air, let it fall, let the bottle break. Or you use a hammer, smash it up. I'm going to smash it up outside because I have pets inside. I don't want any dust particles, anything breaking through and them getting stepped on or whatever. So I'll get back to that portion later. Where we have your Heineken bottle. It could be any beer bottle, as long as it's a bottle, clear in glass, right? Ideally, what you want to harvest out of this is this bottom piece right here, right? The circular bottom piece, okay? And we'll get to that in a minute. I'm gonna make an improvised napping tool. So I'm gonna take this nail, okay? I know that it's roughly gonna go in here. So I'm gonna hammer the nail into the top. I want the nail to stick out. So I'm gonna mark it, let's call it around here, right? So I'm gonna saw off this half. I'm gonna nail this into this, then pull it out, and I should have an improvised napping tool to fashion the bottom of that glass into an arrowhead, okay? And that's where this Jolly Rancher is gonna come in. You can use the small Jolly Ranchers, but since I have this right here, because somebody ate the other one, I'm gonna melt this onto a stick with the glass shard shaped into an arrowhead, and you can have yourself a spear or an arrow. So let's get to it. Made by Fiskars. Oh yeah. This thing is the size of my arm, the blade, wrist for to elbow. Highly recommended. 20 bucks. Can't go wrong. Now to hammer this through. Should be good. Alright, so we have our wood. Not the greatest, but you got their wood piece, a little improvised napping tool in case you ever needed to make one, right? I put some duct tape around it, some Gorilla tape. Got my piece of glass, try to nap it out. I'm not a napper, so let's just bear with me. right? Put on a longer stick, shoot it, right? Let's melt the Jolly Rancher now. It's the cutest thing. All right, so I'm gonna set this down with some aluminum foil. Try to get this in and around it. Let's get this started. See that? Yeah, hold it there. See the side? You can use pine resin and other stuff like that, but I'm just showing you, like, if you're like in an area and you just don't know what the hell you're doing, do this. You see it? Okay. And the Jolly Rancher is gonna solidify it and act as like a crazy glue of sorts. But you still have to wrap it though. I mean, you can use duct tape, you can use rope, use whatever you got available, okay? I'm just trying to show you improvised version. In case you have Jolly Ranchers, you have nothing else. Alright guys? Stay safe. We're gonna protect, live, survive. Stab, stab, stab. Peace. Bottoms up.
I gotta close that window. It's cold.
Oh yeah. We know what it is. A little bit of this. A little bit of eggnog. And you get yourself a bootleg holiday drink.